Hey guys, today's video is a Valentine's Day get it all done with me video, and I'm going to share with you guys some things that I did the days leading up to Valentine's Day and on Valentine's Day to make it a little bit special for my girls, because even though both my girls are teenagers, they still like it when I take time out to make the food and different things in the house special for them during the holidays. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did for that, and also give you guys some ideas maybe to do for future holidays, because you can take these ideas and kind of switch them up for like Easter, for fall time, for Christmas. So you can definitely take these ideas and use them for multiple holidays. So the star of the show, or should I say the star of this video, is this heart cookie cutter set that I got from Amazon. And this one is different from any other cookie cutter set because it comes with two sizes where you can make the Uncrustable sandwiches, and actually seal the sandwiches. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've seen so many moms do it on TikTok. So I got the one for Halloween time and I did it and I loved it. So I definitely wanted to get the heart one for Valentine's Day, but you can use this one all year round. You just don't need to use it for Valentine's Day. But this set comes with, like I said, two different sizes to make the Uncrustable sandwiches, but they also come with three different other sizes to, two small ones and then that other little small one, or two mini ones and another small one for just regular cookie cutters. And then it came with this cool one right here that is great for cucumbers and melons, and it has like this little spring where it will push out the different shapes inside it, so you can actually do like a circle shape, or you can put different melons inside each other. It's pretty cool. So I got this one, I guess, like I said, for the Uncrustable sandwiches, but also to make different things like heart shape for my kids. And like I said, you don't need it just for Valentine's Day. Kids will like the heart shape all year round. So with the Uncrustables, I did take the tips that I've seen moms on TikTok talk about, that you need to put peanut butter on both sides of the bread, because whatever you put in the middle, whether it's jelly or honey, that would seep through the sandwiches if you do not put peanut butter on both sides of the bread. So I did follow that, and then I just put the jelly in the middle, and my kids love this. They love the little Uncrustables, and it's way cheaper than buying them, and you can make them into any shape that you want. Like I said, I got the Halloween ones last year and I got the heart ones now, and I plan to get like the different holiday ones to make it special for my kids. And then I also want to make some what y'all call empanadas, but we call pastelillos. I want to make some empanadas or pastelillos with this cookie cutter, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try that as well, because like I said, I'm gonna be using this heart one all year round. You don't need it just for Valentine's Day. But I wanted to make this for their sandwiches and for little snacks. And look how cute this came out, guys. So cute. And it's sealed up, perfectly sealed. I was skeptical about buying these, but they actually do work. And like I said, you're going to save a lot more money making your own than to buy the ones at the store, and you can make it fun for your kids. So I was super excited to use this one. Now to save these, what I did was these little snack bags that you can get at Dollar Tree are actually the perfect size to keep them in. They're like these like little square snack size. They're not like the other snack sizes that are like in a rectangle shape. So this is the one you need to get from Dollar Tree. They are actually a square shape, so it's perfect. And then I put them in the big Ziploc bag, and then you can put it in the freezer in a gallon size Ziploc bag, and then freeze them and then use them and bring them out for your kids. I also wanted to cut up some watermelon and some melon and cut it into heart shapes as well, because my youngest daughter loves her watermelon and her melons. She is like obsessed with like this fruit. So I thought it would be cool to just get a watermelon and a melon, and then use the same cookie cutters and cut out different shapes, heart shapes, and kind of make a fruit salad and just different types of heart shaped fruit that she can just snack on for lunch, or snack time when she comes home from school.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together.
And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like this video so that I can bring you more videos in the future that you guys would like.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together.
I also wanted to cut up the cheese in heart shapes as well, and this is a great way to save money as well. When you guys buy the block cheese as opposed to the prepackaged like string cheese or the prepackaged, I think they have like the Mickey Mouse shaped cheese, you will get more bang for your buck buying the block size, and then you can make them into the fun shapes that you want. And I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, okay, well, you're cutting all this stuff into shape, what's going to happen to the leftovers? Well, the leftovers the parents eat, so we don't care about shapes. So the leftover fruit that that's on the outside of the shape, me and my husband will eat it, and the leftover cheese, you know, pieces that doesn't have the heart shape, me and my husband will eat it as well. So nothing goes to waste. We just, you know, we won't have the pretty stuff. The cute stuff is always for the kids, and it's fun. They look forward to things like when you change food up or you change things up for the holidays, it's just something for the kids to look forward to. And it's not like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but for me, my kids, they look forward to it, and it's just something different in their food, and it just makes them happy. So I don't mind doing it for my kids. And so, like I said, even though they're older, I don't mind doing it for, and they still like it. I'll probably still do it when they're older, and then when I have my grandkids, I'll do it with them. Right now, my nieces and nephews are having kids now, so I get to do all the fun stuff that I did with my kids when they were younger with my nieces and nephews' kids. And so I love the fact that I could still bring those traditions that I used to do with them when they were little. I could do it with their kids now, and I plan to do that with my kids when they have kids much later, because I'm not ready to be a grandma. But it's just doing things like this for your kids. Yes, it might take more time and stuff, but it's just they look forward to it, and they look forward to the holidays, and it's just the fun things that they talk about. And my nieces and nephews and my older girls to this day talk about all the different things that I used to do for them with the holidays, like, you know, making their lunches fun, making their breakfast fun, and especially our morning breakfast for Christmas. They just look forward to that everything has a theme and a shape. So I know some people might think this is a waste of time, but it actually brings joy to your kids to do it, and I enjoy doing that. So and like I said, you save more money buying the block size anyway. And so I was doing the cheeses. Also, that you can do with this is, I'm not going to show in this video, but you can also take the lunch meat and cut them into shapes and create your own Lunchables with the kids. Like, you can have the cheese and the lunch meat. I haven't found any heart crackers, but you can also find some heart crackers to go along with it. In the Christmas time, you can do snowflake crackers, but you can make your own Lunchables, which again will save you a lot more money, and it'll make it fun for the kids. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys remember that I shared with you guys this Tupperware at the beginning of the school year from Dollar Tree that I loved because it comes with like a built-in ice pack into it. So I think these are the perfect like Tupperware to have whenever you're packing fruit for your kids, because the fruit can stay cold, you know, all day long in the school. Especially with fruit, you want to keep it cold because sometimes when it gets to room temperature, it gets like mushy. So you want to keep it cold so it can be like fresh. And so this bowl was like the perfect bowl to make like a little fruit salad. So I took the little hearts of the watermelon, the little hearts of the melon, and just mixed it together to give my daughter a little fruit salad. And she absolutely loved this one. And it's just the perfect like bite-sized shape to eat. So I thought that came out real cute. And then also the Tupperware comes in a square container as well. This one is a little bit like bigger, and it's a little bit higher as well. It also comes with a little ice pack in it. And this one was the perfect size to put the big pieces of the watermelon and the big pieces of the melon, you know, that I use for the other cookie cutter. And so depending on how you want to plate it for your kids, you can just have it this way where they can like just pick at it, the big pieces separate, or you can make a fruit salad with the circle one. So I wanted to share with you guys both ways how I did it, because one of my kids likes their fruit mixed together and one of them, they like to eat them separately. So this was like a way that I could make it for both of them. So these are like two different ideas for you guys. A while ago on my channel, I shared with you guys these bento boxes that a company sent me. They sent me 2 of them for my daughters. I absolutely love them. And so I wanted to share with you guys some ideas of how you can pack, you know, like the fruit and the cheese and different things for your kids for lunch if you have these bento boxes or something similar to it. So what I did was the top part, I did put some cheese. I put 2 different types of cheese that I cut up. And then I also put the fruit as well. You could put more, but I just put like 2 of each of them. This doesn't come with an ice pack, but you can figure out the way to make it cold if you want to. And then the bottom, it was a perfect size, you know, to put the sandwiches in there and like you know, some chips as well. So this is also really good to have as for like a lunch idea or like an after school snack idea. I also wanted to share with you guys that if you didn't know already, Tyson makes their like nuggets of love. They actually make nuggets that are in the shape of hearts, and they try to do different things as far as like the holidays that I've seen and like dino shapes and stuff. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you ever wanted to get some heart shape, you know, chicken nuggets, that Tyson does make them, and those will be a perfect thing for like lunch or even dinner for the kids. Now moving on to breakfast, and my girls absolutely love this. It's where you take bacon and you basically make them in the shape of hearts. All you do is you take some bacon slices and you cut them in half, and then you fold them over, like each piece, you fold them over and shape them into a shape of a heart. And then you could just bake it in the oven. And this is so easy and quick, easy cleanup because you do everything in the oven. And my girls thought they were so cute. I love making them the bacon this way. Like I said, it's easy cleanup and it also gives the shape as well. So this is something that you can do. If you do get those big sausage patties, not the little ones, but if you get the ones that are like a little bit bigger, you can also take the cookie cutters and then cut heart shapes out of those as well. And that would be, you know, that'd be something else that you guys can do. We don't buy the big ones, so that's why I'm not showing it, but I did want to give you guys that idea that if you do buy those big sausage patties, you can also just cut heart shapes out of them and make it fun for the kids. Now, pancakes are one of those easy like breakfast foods that you can turn into any shape to make it fun for the kiddos. I know a lot of people like to buy the waffle makers and the different types of like pancake makers to make the shapes, but you don't need to spend your money on that. You can easily just make regular pancakes, take the cookie cutters and, you know, and make the shape that you want. I added food coloring to mine to make it pink, you know, to go with the for Valentine's Day. You can do like trees. You can make it green for Christmas time. You can make it orange for fall time with some food coloring. And then just like I said, just cook the pancakes like you normally would, and then just take your cookie cutter and cut the shape out. And again, the parents get the extra pieces, and because we need it to be broken up anyway, so we just get the extra pieces anyway, and so nothing goes to waste. And you save so much more money than to buy those little, you know, waffle makers, different sized waffle makers, different sized pancake makers to make the shape, when you can easily just make regular pancakes and use cookie cutters that you probably already have on hand and make the shape. So that's what I did. I used the food coloring to make them pink, and I'm gonna take those same cookie cutters that I shared with you at the beginning and make different shapes out of them. And you'll see that I'll make some medium shape sizes and some little miniature ones as well, different size heart pancakes. Now, isn't this so cute? And you could plate it any way you like, but I also wanted to share with you guys this Tupperware that I got at Dollar Tree a while back. It's kind of like a dip, kind of like a chips and dips kind of travel thing, but I thought it would be perfect for the mini heart pancakes if you guys have to make breakfast and your kids need to have, you know, breakfast on the road going to school. You can easily put them in this container with a little bit of syrup, and they can just, you know, dip it in there and eat it. So this is also another way that you could plate it up for your kids. Another cute idea that I've been seeing all over all the social medias, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, is that parents would take this little like hardware storage case that you can get at Dollar Tree in the tool section, and they washed it and used them for like little kind of like snack containers for their kids, and they put different snacks in there for them to go traveling, or if they're like, let's say at a game, like if they're watching a sibling play a game, this would be like the perfect little snack pack. And so I thought it would be cute if I made a Valentine's Day one, because my youngest daughter is in a private school, and they have this break time in the morning where it's called like morning, like I guess like a morning break, and they always eat snacks there. So I thought I would make one for her to eat during snack time. And yes, I know you guys are gonna say this is a lot of candy, but I put enough in there so that she can share with her friends, because she's always sharing with her friends different snacks. So I thought this would be cute on Valentine's Day. I could put different like Valentine's Day candy and snacks in there, and they could just share them together during snack time. But like I said, this would be perfect for like traveling. This would be perfect for if you have one kid doing sports and the other kids are sitting there watching them. It's normally the little ones, and they can have a little like snack pack as well, and it's cute. And then also what I liked about it is that right there's a spot that is like the perfect size for a Post-it note, and I always like writing notes for my kids, and so that's what I made, like a little note right there, made with love, mommy. And yes, my handwriting is bad, so don't judge me on my handwriting, but it's also a way that you can make like a cute little note and put it for your kids for like a little snack pack. So when it comes to my daughter's like Valentine's baskets or Easter baskets, I always like to get a basket that can be reused. So I got this container from Dollar Tree. This is like the huge baskets, because my daughters wanted to redo their bathroom and they needed some baskets this size. So I figured, hey, let me get them this basket. I can put their Valentine stuff in it, and then they can reuse it for organization later. I don't like buying baskets that we can just use for the holidays and then it's just a waste of money. So I always like to have stuff that we can reuse. And this basket holds a lot. As you can see, I put all this stuff in it. A lot of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of different face masks that my girls love, because they have so many great face masks at Dollar Tree, which I'll be sharing with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul coming up. But they have so much great things this year at Dollar Tree that my girls love. And of course, I had to get them their different snacks that they love in there as well. And I also got them some sparkling cider this year, so they could be like a little bit fancy on Valentine's Day with the wine glasses when we do like our little Valentine's Day dinner and stuff like that. But they enjoyed everything that was in there, and this basket holds a lot. As you can see, it holds so much, and you can reuse these baskets for anything in the house once you're done with them. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I gave you guys some ideas and some motivation if you guys needed it. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys do for your kiddos for Valentine's Day to make it a little bit special? I love getting ideas from you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.